TCN Smart Hot Food Vending Machine. Large capacity, can hold up to 200 boxes of meals. The 22-inch high-definition touchscreen can play advertisements and support shopping program development. Support a variety of payment methods, such as banknotes, coins, credit cards, etc. The XY-axis lift platform picks up goods faster and more smoothly. Suitable products: boxed lunch with soup, boxed food that needs to be heated like dumplings, buns, various snacks. The whole machine adopts ozone sterilization, which effectively guarantees food safety, and the mouth-off door for taking the meal is sterilized by ultraviolet light. The user-friendly intermediate pick application offers the better user experience better. Suitable for placing in subway stations, airports, shopping malls, hospitals, scenic spots, office buildings and so on.